Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome to another Foodie Grocery Haul. So, as you can see here, guys, I have a few things. This is not much, but I went to Costco on Saturday and I put away some of the food. I don't feel like bringing all that stuff back out, guys, but I spent $202 at Costco. And so I just pulled out a few things that I just want to touch on. I got this Premier Protein. I like these. I'm trying to cut back. I guess it's after a holiday. What can we say? So I want to cut back, and I decided that either for breakfast or lunch, I'm going to drink one of these protein drinks or shakes, whatever. I used to do those, drink those when I worked. And so, now I'm back to doing that again. And so they're really good. I like the vanilla flavor. If you haven't tried them, you might want to try them. They give you your protein, 30 grams, 160 calories, 25 vitamins and minerals, and no sugar added, right? So these are pretty good. I really do like these. Then I picked up, I haven't tried this 5-cheese tortellini, or is it tortelloni? I'm sorry, tortelloni. So I picked that up, and I'm going to pair that with some basil pesto. So I didn't taste this in the store. When you go to Costco, you have the taste testers. I didn't taste this, but it looked good, so I thought I would try it. And I love Italian food, guys. And then over here, I have some chicken breasts, and a lot of times I'll put that on lettuce with tomato, or I'll make a chicken breast salad. And then I got pine sol, and I got 2 of those. Now, I see these on the commercial, but I like them particularly because, look, it says it kills 99.9% of germs. It cleans, deodorizes, and disinfects. So as you can see, I split it apart, and I used a little bit today, just to kind of do some cleaning up after the holiday. But let me just tell you this, guys, I used this morning. It's now 2:30. I can still smell this in the house. Now, I like pine sol. I don't want to smell it all day. This stuff is strong. So the next time I use it, I'm going to dilute it. But it's strong, and some of these strong scents can give me a throbbing headache. Now, I haven't eaten anything, so maybe that's part of it. So when I finish doing this foodie grocery haul, I'm going to get a bite to eat. But this stuff is strong. Smells clean, but it's strong. Okay, so then moving over to the grocery side, and we'll come back to Costco, but moving over to the grocery side, I have some celery, and I thought that what I would do is dip this in some little Laughing Cow as like a snack. Keeps you from eating a whole lot of stupid stuff, which I'm really good at, like Twizzlers, Haribo gummy bears or whatever. But so I said, let me stop doing that and try to get like a healthy snack. Then I have my Activia. You've seen me feature those on previous grocery hauls. Lettuce, everybody likes lettuce, even though this has 0 nutrients. But it's good for, making sandwiches or whatever. And then I have some broccoli. Now, we had a lot of green beans over Thanksgiving, so we switched it up a little bit. And I got some broccoli. Then I really like these tuna creations, so I have quite a number of those, and I still have some in the pantry. Those are good for doing the same thing. You can put them with lettuce and tomato, or make a tuna sandwich. Then, as you can see, I got a lot of paper plates. This one I already had. I split it apart, put those in the cupboard, and I have these. So bought those. Those are from Walmart though. So I'm all over the place here, guys. I forgot about those. Then I got some 0 sugar ocean spray and some almond breeze, to have with cereal. So that's what I have for my foodie grocery haul. Then we go slide down this way, and I have some bananas. Now let me just go back. At the beginning, you saw that I bought a wreath from Costco. That wreath is very sizable. And when you go to the stores like Home Goods or Walmart, those wreaths are like 30 something dollars, like $39, $40. That wreath was $19.99 at Costco. So if like I said, it's a nice sizable wreath. So you might want to swing on by Costco and pick one up. The other things that I got from Costco that I don't have here is salmon. Like I said, we went to Costco Saturday, got the salmon. We ate it yesterday, Sunday. Today is Monday, December the 1st. Then I got some beef ribs and, I got some other, items from Costco, paper towels, that type of thing. So I didn't pull all that stuff back out. But I spent $202 at Costco. It doesn't take long to spend your money at the grocery store. But just wanted to share this with you. Please stop by the other channels, Simply Grace Lifestyle, Decorated with Jazzy Green, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, and see what they have hauled for their Foodie Grocery Haul. Until the next one, you guys be blessed. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.